I should help all the students of the valley. Never, ever, ever give up.
बेटियां अपने नसीब से आती हैं, अपना नसीब लेके आती हैं.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shaista Mukhtar Rishi and I'm from Srinagar. And my qualifications are, I have done BBA from Kolkata and MCOM, then DFA, Diploma in Financial Accounting. I'm pursuing B.Ed as well as Company Secretaryship Executive. As we all know that students of the Kashmir Valley have been suffering since a long time. So that's why I have started my YouTube channel, so that I can benefit them. Especially as we all know, nowadays communication skill is very important as far as stage fear are concerned, schools are concerned, various competitions are concerned, and plus when you go for an interview, so your vocal, your voice tone and your communication skills are very important. And that's the reason I have started my YouTube channel, so that I can reach out to maximum students. The reason why I have started my YouTube channel is that I can benefit my students. Then I started thinking, why only my student? I should help all the students of the valley, as it's free of cost, and English is the most communicative language nowadays, and I have been witnessing since a long time that the students of valley are not good in grammar skills. People think that as a girl it's very difficult to do initiatives in life, but I don't think so. Once I started my YouTube channel, I was not perfect. I started with pen and paper. Then I used some animation videos. Now I am doing it with the help of PPTs. So being a girl, from thumbnail, editing, voice recording, I am doing it myself. Nobody is helping me. So for a good teacher, one should be knowledgeable, so that you can have enough potential to transform your knowledge into students. Second thing is, a teacher should be patient enough, because everybody learns at its own pace. So all fingers of the hand are not of same size. That means हर कोई student जो है वो different होता है. किसी को time लगता है समझने में और किसी को जल्दी समझ में आता है.
During the pandemic period, जो रिसेंटली इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हुआ, तो अब तो टाइम नहीं था बाहर जाने का, तो उसने एक इनिशिएशन शुरू किया कि वन नॉट टू डिलीवर लेक्चर्स थ्रू यूट्यूब. तो इनिशिएशन जो है, इनिशिएशन लेना ही एक फर्स्ट स्टेप है. तो उसने ये इनिशिएट किया, हमारा हमेशा उसका पॉजिटिव सपोर्ट रहा है कि वट एवर शी विल डू इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग हर ईच लेक्चर, ईच डे शी डिलीवर ऑन यूट्यूब.
I think great teachers are highly important because they are looking for the next generation. So एक टीचर को इतना कैलिबर होना चाहिए कि एक तो वो अपना सब्जेक्ट मैटर समझाएं, प्लस मोटिवेट करे स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छे कामों के लिए. If we want change in our society, in the environment, we have to change ourselves. Like if we will think that what society will think if I will teach on YouTube, or like if I will do this for the society. If we want to change the world, we have to change ourselves. And being a female teacher, I think we can be more close to adolescents, because we are having that motherly feeling, or for them we are like sister icons. So we can be very close to them, so they can't choose the wrong paths. It's like sometimes you have to scold them, you have to love them, you have to show your care. So whatever is needed at a particular time, you have to play so many roles. As a teacher, as a motivator, as a mother, as a sister, as a friend. So you can be anything.
हम दोनों ने बचपन से इसको बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. जिस में भी ये काम करना चाहते थे हम इसको करते थे. अब इसने YouTube चैनल बनाया, हमारा भरपूर इसको सपोर्ट है. तो मैं इसलिए बाकी पेरेंट्स को भी बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उनकी बच्चियाँ जो भी करना चाहे इस सोसाइटी के लिए, उनका पूरा सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. तो जब वो पैदा हुई तो मैंने इनसे पूछा, सब चाह रहे थे कि इसका बेटा हो, लेकिन हुई मुझे बेटी. तो मुझे अभी तक कोई अफसोस नहीं कि मेरे पास बेटा क्यों नहीं है. मैं 3 बेटियों की माँ हूँ, फ़ख्र से कह सकती हूँ. और सब बोलते कि नहीं, इसके माँ बाप के ऊपर बहुत कंधों पे बहुत भार है. मुझे नहीं लगता. बेटियाँ अपने नसीब से आती हैं, अपना नसीब लेके आती हैं.
If you are doing good work for the society, for the students, never ever think what people will think about it. If Almighty is with you, your parents' support is with you, and you don't have to worry about anything. One thing more you have to keep in your mind: never ever ever give up.
This is Kashmir Radar headquarters, and you're watching Kashmir Radar, the news you can count on.